Well, hello for a very quick, short hello and welcome to the snow. This video is going out as soon as I can put it together, which will probably be about a week after I've taken it, if that. It's just a quick one to say, look at this! I've come out in the van, I've got a couple of days off work and I was heading towards Stiperstone, and I'm actually at Stiperstone now, and you can't see anything. And as I come up the hill and I was driving towards, and it was about 5 miles away, a car came past me covered in snow, and I'm like, where the hell, what on earth, where has he been? It's starting to wonder whether it was fake snow. As I come further and further up the hill and it's getting dark, I drove into this and it's a complete whiteout. So I've quickly put my waterproofs on, put my wellies on, put my coat on, I've grabbed me one camera and you, and I just thought I'd pop out and say hello and show you this little winter wonderland. I don't think I'm going to get a shot, but what I will show you is one I took on my phone as I drove up, of a tree. It looks fantastic on my phone. So I'm just going to have a quick walk, taking this little bit of snow, and then I'm not staying overnight. I was going to park, but I don't think I can take the risk in the van to get stuck up here for a few days. So I'm going to drive down to a stone circle which is on a lower ground, lower level, and I'll do that tomorrow instead. But yeah, hello and welcome to winter. Wow, so cool, but getting dark. So I've just passed someone going down the hill and it's getting really dark really quick, and I'm just not sure where I can get up to the top to get a picture of the stones. I'm going to try. I've got my head torch, but yeah, the old ticker's twitching. You know, the old nerve one where you start thinking, oh god, I've got no water, I've got no supplies, I've got no medics, I've got nothing on me, and I'm walking up this little hill. I know I've got my stick to support me, but I don't know. I'll walk up a little bit further because I can't remember how far the first decent stones are, so we'll see. If not, then I'll bail out, go back to the van and move on before I get snowed in. But this is so exciting. Whoops. I'm here, I'm on it. I've got the stone, I've got my glasses down because I can't see because I've all missed it up. I'm literally gonna take this and get the head out of here. Here she is. It's like I came up here to have a quick look at that, and I don't know what your video quality is like you're looking at, but I just want to snap a couple of quick shots for this with the snow on it, and then I'm going back to the van before I can't see what I'm doing. And I know I've got my torch, but this is not easy walking in this. Oh, and I'm out of breath because I haven't really stopped. But wow, what amazing. I wasn't expecting to see this today. Oh dear. Amazing, fantastic, but look at that for a rock, and I've got to get a picture of it best I can just for a keepsake. There we go. Right, I'm going to get me a picture and I'll speak to you on the way back to the van. Speak to you in a bit. I must be insane. Right, one quick phone picture before I go, just to say I've been here. Oh my god. Right, we got to get out of here because it's going dark and it's scary and snowing and I've lost my stick. Right, I've got to get back down off this hill now before it gets too bad. I'm just going to take my glasses off because I can't see. Put my torch on my head. Whew. Torch on my head. Right, so take my glasses off for now. Put them in my pocket. Walking stick and you. Let's go. Oh, but isn't this exciting? Let's get back to the van, get myself snuggled in. 3 miles down the road in the dark, find myself somewhere to park, and we may come back up tomorrow if I can get up the hill. For now, that's all I wanted to do. Check in and show you this. See you next time. Wait for the video to come out for Mitchellstone Circle, Mitchell Ford, because that's where I'm going to be in the morning. Oh, I'm banging you on the ground because I've got the tripod leg out. Don't forget, like and subscribe and tell a friend, and oh, I've got to go. Bye, 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 bye.